Ironworkers, in my opinion, are kind of the cornerstone of the welding industry. They've been around a long time. They build the infrastructure of America, and they're extremely crucial to the growth, the infrastructure, everything that we do every day.
We're at the 41st Annual Ironworkers Apprenticeship Training Program. We have over 800 apprentice coordinators and instructors here.
I've been coming to the Ironworkers Train the Trainer Washtenaw program for 10 years. There's so many classes you can take here. It's amazing.
I really wanted to get into teaching because we need to be able to pass on the knowledge that we have. Right now, it's a little bit scary. The older generation is leaving and they take all their knowledge with them. So being able to pass that on to apprentices is really important to me.
There's so many different aspects to being an ironworker. You don't just learn how to weld, you learn how to build. You learn how to use laser levels and set stairs. There's just so much to it.
I mean, you name it, they're involved in it. Concrete with rebar to skyscrapers in New York City.
If I could say one thing to a guy that wants to be an apprentice for the Ironworkers Union is you're never going to be bored.
My favorite project was a Kessel Ring, a nuclear site. We built a 100-foot structure over top of a mock-up submarine that they train the U.S. Navy for whatever they do.
Future Fabricator program here at ESAB, we like to reach out. We want to get with all of these guys. You know, this particular event here is anywhere from 400 to 500 educators from the union halls here for the ironworkers, and they're here to do continuing education.
I think ESAB's training that they're doing out here is great. I'm happy to have the whole ESAB team working with us every year. They do a phenomenal job. Their classes are always full. I think the instructors are getting the knowledge that they need to be able to take that knowledge back to their apprenticeships.
With these guys being all training coordinators, they need to learn how to train their apprentices on the safe practices of oxy-fuel, plasma cutting, carbon arc gouging, and arc air slice.
So there's many career paths, but the advantages of an apprenticeship are the training, the brotherhood, the camaraderie, and someone to look out for your back all the time.
It's always something to do, and you learn how to build bigger and better every day.
So I tell all my apprentices the same thing. If you put in the effort, then it'll carry you through the career. So if you want it, all you have to do is take it.
Oh, and by the way, the starting wage for our apprentices is $38 an hour plus benefits. You get health care, you get an annuity, you get a pension, hell, you even get a vacation fund. If you're looking to get into the trades, it's a great opportunity for everybody.